sir. I have featured a ton of fast cars on this channel. You guys know that. But none of them compares to this Sheepey Race Audi R8 V10. I mean, what can I say? Sheepey Race, you know, it's a performance shop. They specialize more with Lamborghinis and Audi R8s, the naturally aspirated 5.2 liter platform. That is like their creme de la creme specialty. This is gonna be a really crazy video, I'm not gonna lie. This thing not only looks incredible, but it packs a serious punch. And in today's video, we're going to interview the owner and get a feel for what it's like to drive and basically experience a twin turbo V10. So without further ado, let's go ahead and meet the owner of this car. What's up, Manu? Thanks for coming out.
Pleasure.
Good to see you again, man.
Thanks.
So this is the owner of this this monstrous of a car. We've actually met on a really funny basis. Back in 2022, when we were doing a midnight run, we had the pleasure of seeing this car in action and just completely destroying everything. The camera car is going to be this Tesla Model S Plaid, which is rated at about 1,000 horsepower, give or take. So this is the fastest car that, you know, I had in the roster to possibly compete with this. What are some of the cars that you had before you had this?
Before this, I had a 720S that was pretty souped up. Before that, I had a 991 Turbo S that was also souped up.
Everything he gets his hands on ends up being a freaking monster. All right, guys, so before we start going for a drive, I think we should see how this thing sounds. All right, rev it for science! We're going to scientifically measure how loud this is with a decibel reader. Let it rip! You're at 121 decibels. This maxes out at 130. All right, let's go. I think the most important question that I have right now is, what prompted you to sell the 720 and get an R8 platform?
One of the main things that went through my mind was the issues of the 720s when you start pushing them, and you know, the reliability of something happening to the engine. So I decided to get rid of it, you know, and not have any issues or, you know, problems down the road. You know, I was pushing 9 something to the wheels. The car was running great, no problems. M Engineering did the tune. It was amazing from the start with them. So yeah, I think that was one of the things that was just bothering me in my head is, hey, when is this thing gonna go? When is this thing gonna blow? So that's I started looking for an R8. I was first trying to find one, and I was going to build it myself or get one of the big brands to build it. But then I found one already built in California by Sheepey. This one was already built, so hey, it's a no-brainer. They gave me a good deal for the 720, and I just moved on with the deal.
Would you do it again if you could?
Oh yeah, yeah. This car is, I don't want to say bulletproof 1,000%, because you do have to really make sure that the transmission is beefed up to the type of horsepower that you're going to be pushing.
For sure.
So that was one of the things I had to like work at the beginning with the car. But now, after a good friend of Alex from Sheepey took care of the car and beefed it up, I haven't had 0 issues. It's been like a year and a half or more, and the car's been really solid. Yeah.
Sweet. All right, let's do our first pull.
So right here you can pull on the stock. The camera went down.
Oh my God.
I got it. It's safe. Thank God it didn't leave.
So there you have it, guys. The Insta360 camera mount cannot withstand the power of a Sheepey Race R8 V10.
We're on low boost.
And we're
You didn't see the camera fall? No. You would have lost some cash there. Let's go.
Wait a minute.
Why are you running?
So tell me a little bit about the actual Sheepey Race, like kits and packages that this car has, and what can you go?
So they have several packages starting, I think it starts at 1,000, then it jumps to 1,200, 1,300, 15, 17, to 2,000 built engine, fully built transmission. This car started with a 1,200 package, and I am pushing right now 1,750 on the kill map.
1,300. That is still the fastest car I've ever experienced, and it must feel so much different in the driver's seat too.
It really does, and honestly, it's a super stable car. The fact of the all-wheel drive, the quattro system of Audi, it's solid, really good.
The camera's gone completely!
Oh my god.
No!
Bryce doesn't.
No! Pull over here! Pull over here! No!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Bryce, it's okay. Yo, dude, be careful with the camera. It fell off completely!
Where's the camera? Oh, the camera's not on here. Oh my god, so the camera has to be behind us.
I have very little faith that we're gonna find at this point.
Somewhere in this vicinity here.
My gosh, man, what a disaster.
Oh, mira! Wow, it's alive, dude. Well, it needs some repair, but... Is it missing anything else?
We found it. There goes about $800. I think this has gotta be the craziest car I've ever been in my life. So, it's gotta count for something.
You don't know me, but I know you.
Really?
Yeah, bro. What's up, man?
Nice.
My name is Anthony, though.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. So I follow you to that, bro.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate.
Hey, you're with the Z28, right?
No,
that's
it's all right.
Testing it out or what?
Well, this review just cost me like $800.
It's all good, bro. You make it up, dog.
I mean, it's still fine.
Nice to meet you, dog.
No, likewise.
Nice to meet you,
Right?
man.
Thank you for watching the videos.
Yeah, bro.
Stay tuned for this one.
Got you, man.
You'll be in it.
God bless, right?
Yes,
Y'all be
nice
safe,
to meet you, man.
Likewise.
Oh, it snapped.
It completely snapped because they probably felt like this.
So yeah, it's safe to say that we're not going to be using this now.
I even see it fly
No,
off.
he hit I think this has probably been the most expensive video I've done. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is... Yeah. Not just obviously getting the bigger turbos, it's basically a more robust cooling system. It's the whole package. It's the whole deal. Does it also come
Fire hydrant system, just in case something happens, God forbid.
like,
fast car things, man.
like this is not super calzado day. Like,
No, Miggy, me, no. I just bought the car. No, keep it stock, guy. No, no.
I never bought this to be a garage queen.
Oh my god. Well, guys, there you have it. That is the my experience of riding in a 1300 low boost 1300 horsepower twin turbo R8 V10 performance. It literally is like your car at 20 miles per hour, just stomping on it with the anti-lag. It's literally just like that. And it just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. And then when I had the chance to glance down at the speedo, I was like, I can't believe we're here. this was honestly a huge blessing. Obviously it cost me some things, but you know what, it was totally worth it. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. I know it was super inconvenient for you at some points, but really this means a lot. Like, this was amazing. I know some of my haters out there found that funny as hell that I just lost this much amount of money. Go ahead and hit the like button, helps out tremendously with the algorithm. If you guys want to see more of these videos on the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.